Photography is a very fun and exciting activity because you don't only get to capture picture-perfect moments, but you also get to interact and socialize with other people, especially for photographers and your models. I was with the amazing Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs for a photo walk to participate in Scott Kelby's worldwide photo walk, and here are 5 kinds of mobile photographers that you can see in a photo walk. But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and smash that notification bell and share peace and love. The Master. The Instant Photographer. The Techie.
Master, ito na yung settings, Master.
Amo na kita mag shutter speed.
Kanina sa...
Kaya shutter speed, kung mas ang imong lugibok, kaya ng mga bata, kaduwa. Kaya pataas na din mo shutter speed. Para dili mo blur.
Kanang ISO.
ISO na, ISO.
Oh, ISO. ISO yan.
The Stalker. And last but not the least, the Acrobatic Photographer. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the vlog for this event. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this to your friends and tag your mobile photographers and say thank you if you are their models, because without them, the mobile photographers, you won't have a nice picture. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share peace and love. Bye.